Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to reset your Coinbase wallet password. Now, to be able to reset your Coinbase wallet password, you're going to need to re-import your account. That you're going to need to add your account to the Coinbase wallet again. And to do this, all you need to do is head to the gear icon at the bottom right that says settings, scroll through and you'd find address 1. Click on address 1. Where it says recovery phrase, you're going to be needing to copy your recovery phrase because we're going to be using the recovery phrase once again. So click on recovery phrase, enable it and click on allow. Copy it to your clipboard. Once your recovery phrase has been copied, make sure to scroll through and click on sign out. Once you've selected the sign out option, click on sign out. Please make sure you've saved your private key and your recovery phrase as well, as any of these can be used to recover your account. So when you click on the sign out option, you'd be asked if you've saved your recovery phrase. So click on I've saved recovery phrase. So click on sign out now. And once you've signed out of the Coinbase wallet, all you need to do now is simply click on I already have a wallet. So when you click on I already have a wallet, click on enter recovery phrase. Now enter your 12-word phrase. And now you're asked to enter your passcode or fingerprint. That's your biometrics is what is going to be used for the security. So now this is your account, but with a new passcode. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you're given an answer.